Curious about the key component of SQL Server? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. So let's start with me. In today's video, we are going to see different SQL Server component like what is database engine, what is database, what is server, and what is client. In human body, brain control all the body function. Same way, database engine is a brain of SQL Server, which is responsible for all types of calculation, query processing, security, and doing the user management. Apart from that, it is also responsible for creation, modification, and retrieval of the data in a secure manner. The second essential component of SQL Server is database. So, what is database? Database is a digital storage room where you keep organized collection of information so that whenever you want to find that information, you can easily get it using the database engine. The third essential component of SQL Server is server. Now, what is server? We all are using Google Drive to store photos, videos, document, or other information. So, do you have any idea where this information will store? Google will store this information in its data center. So here, data center is considered as a server which store the data and it will give the information or it will provide you the data as per your requirement. Same way in SQL Server, server is responsible for storing data. Now, you may have a question. We are installing SQL Server in our local computer. So, what is server in that case? Since you install SQL Server in your local machine, so your local computer will act as a server. You can also connect SQL Server to the remotely located server. The fourth essential component of SQL Server is client. So what is client? Let me explain you with an example. You are able to access photos, videos, or even document which is stored in your Google Drive via your phone. In that case, your phone is considered as a client. So same way, in SQL Server, client is like a person making a request to the server for data and asking the information about data to the server. Since you install SQL Server in your local computer, so in that case, your local computer will act as a client. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. It has been a pleasure to serve this information with you. If you have any question, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Stay curious and keep learning.